How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of fat under your chin, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So to get rid of fat under your chin, there's two exercises that I love to do. I'm going to show you guys both of them. We'll make a little workout out of it. So first exercise, and you'll literally be able to feel it underneath your chin. That's looking up. So just like this, the minute I do this, I feel a nice stretch right here. And that's what we're trying to do. You should be able to feel this working when you do it. Any exercise, you should be able to feel it. If you do not, then the exercise isn't very effective. So we're just gonna go like this. You wanna do a decent amount of reps. Like you don't wanna do just 4 or 5 reps. You wanna get a decent amount. "20 reps. Perfect. Quick little break. Now I will show you guys the next exercise. Next exercise is called teeth touches. So you're gonna touch your top and your bottom teeth together. Don't do it hard or you will hurt your teeth. Just really gentle like this. And the minute I do that, I feel a nice stretch right in here. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get rid of fat under the chin. So just like this. "25 reps. Perfect. Take a quick little break. The next exercise we're gonna do is you're gonna open your mouth wide like this. And the minute I do that, I feel, again, a nice stretch in here. It's also gonna work if you have chubby cheeks, so it'll work in here too, but it mainly works under here. So like this. Perfect. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.